Hello learners, today we are going to learn about creating site in Revit. Firstly, to create site, you need to go to site plan. Here, you'll find it under the floor plan option. And then go to massing and site and open it. Under massing and site, you will find an option of topo surface. Click on this. Now you will find the option of place point. You can click to place points in the site plan and the site will be created. The elevation of each and every point is mentioned over here, and by default the elevation is 0. Also notice one thing, that Revit is always going to take the shortest distance between 2 points which you have placed in the site plan. Once you are done with this, double escape, click on the green tick. Your site is created. Now if you want to see the color of the material, go to shaded view. Go to your 3D and your site has been created. In Revit, in 3D view, the site is going to look like a piece of paper. But don't worry, you will see the earth underneath it later in the section portion. Now, let's just see how to change the elevation of the points in the site. Click on the site, do edit surface. Here, we want to change the elevation of points so that we can create contours. I'll click on this point. The elevation is defined as 0. I'll change it to, let's say, 10,000. I'll do the same with this one. Let's make this one as 7,000. $5,000. You can notice how the contour lines are getting created as I'm changing the elevation. Now I can see that there's a certain slope to my site. Once I'm done giving elevation to each and every point of the site, I can click on the green tick. Now let's just explore various properties of the site. So when I click on the site, under the properties palette, I will see the option of material. So this will help me change the material of the topmost layer of the site. I can click on this by category option. It will open the material browser for me and I can select whatever I want. I can create a new material. I'll look for a grass material. Now I have given something like this. If you want to change the color or if you want to do any editing in the material, you can select the site again, go to the material option and then change the color from here. If you want to make it lighter or let's say darker, you can do that. So this is my site. For further more changes, go to massing and site again, and there you will see this tiny arrow which shows site settings. Now over here, you can change the contour line interval. Right now it's 500, you can make it 1000 also. Apply, If you want to reduce it, you can change it to 500 again. And then there is this additional contour, which is the main increment. You can change this one to whatever value you want. All right, now once you're done with this, to see more changes, you need to go to Manage, Object Style. And now we will learn how to change the properties of the lines which are there in the contour. So we'll scroll down to the topography part, expand it, and here you will see primary contours, secondary contours. Now primary contours, right now it says solid. Let's make it as dash. Apply. You can see the changes. Now again go to Object Style, Topography, and let's say you change the color of this one to gray, and secondary contour it's black, solid. This one is fine. Apply. Okay. This is how you're going to see your site. Now if you want to mark the elevation height of each and every contour line, you again go to Massing and Site, go to your site plan, and over here you will have this option called Label Contours. So click on this. Now click on the starting point of the elevation and drag it like this. Now if you zoom in, you can see the height of each and every contour line. This is how it is going to look like. Now after this, when you go to your 3D, if let's say you want to see earth below the site surface in 3D as well, the only way of doing it is turn on the section box. So whenever your site is getting cut, then you can see the earth beneath the surface. So in 3D, we need to cut it using the section box so that we can see the site, so that we can see the earth under the site. Now if you want to edit the material under the site surface, you can do that by going to the site setting, and over here section cut material, it says earth. You can change it to whatever you want. If you want to change the color, if you want to make it a bit lighter, you can do that. Apply. It will be a bit lighter. If you want to hide this box, you can click on it and press EH, it will be hidden. Now, if you want to edit the shape of the site, you can go to Massing and Site, and here you have this option of Split Surface. But first, I'll uncheck the section box and I'll get back my entire site. Now, let's say you want to split the surface. So you click on this, and now you have to draw the shape. So you can draw whatever shape you want. Now this much of surface will be separated from the entire site. You can select the rest, whatever you don't want, and delete it. And this is your site. Now to create roads, etc. in the site, you will use the option of Subregion. So we'll go to the top view, and over here, go to Subregion, and let's say you want to create road over here. Click on the green tick. Now what the Subregion option does, it will segregate this much of area from the site, and it will allow you to give a different material to this region. Click on it. You can change the material from here. You can give whatever material you want. And it will be changed. The last topic is building pad, which is created to form the base of a building in site. First, go to the top view. Now over here, click on building pad. All you have to do is draw the footprint. Click on the green tick. You can decide the height of the building pad. If you want it to be at certain level, you can give it a certain height, and it will be elevated. You can even edit the material of the pad. You can go to edit type, edit the structure. Over here, if you want to insert a new layer, you can add that as well. Give it some thickness. And this is how it's going to be. Now you can very simply place the building over here, and it will be done. So that's all about the site which I'm going to discuss today, guys. If you want more such videos, do mention in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.